Today, I want you to know something really special. You are an incredibly loved person, 1,000 times more for something you did. Yes, you. The angels whisper about how you have a heart of gold and a spirit that nothing can break. You are the kind of person everyone trusts. Someone who is always willing to support and inspire without asking for anything in return. You are a true giver, always thinking of others and doing good just for the pleasure of helping. Your intelligence and passion are remarkable, and you have an incredible ability to make things work, even when it seems impossible. And you know what's even more amazing? There is someone out there who has secretly admired you for a long time. This person is in love with you, watching your every step with admiration and love. And at this moment, they have finally found the courage to tell you how they feel. They want to spend the rest of their life with you, and I feel the feeling is mutual. The angels say this is all part of a bigger plan, and the universe is aligning in your favor. You are receiving the strength, knowledge, and blessings you need to continue shining your light in the world. You have the power to make a real difference, to inspire others, and create a positive impact on the world. So, keep being beautiful, keep being you, and never let anyone dim your light. You are a special person with a unique gift that the world needs. And always remember, when you give, you do so with an open heart and no ulterior motives. That is what truly makes you special. There is something magical when two souls meet and realize they were made for each other. It's not just about finding someone who completes you, but about finding someone who sees all your parts, the beautiful and the not so beautiful, and still chooses to stay by your side. It's about being there in good and bad times, sharing dreams, laughs, and tears. That is the kind of love that makes life worth living. The angels are around you, guiding your every step, whispering in your ear that you are on the right path. Sometimes, things may seem hard, challenges may seem insurmountable, but remember you are never alone. God is always by your side, supporting you and giving you the strength needed to overcome any obstacle. You have a unique glow, something that draws people to you, that inspires them to be better. Use this light to illuminate the path for those who are lost, to bring hope to the discouraged. Your impact on the world is greater than you imagine. Every little action, every kind word, every gesture of love makes a huge difference. Never underestimate the power of your heart. Keep believing in yourself. Keep dreaming big. The world needs your passion, your energy, your determination. Don't let anyone tell you that you are not capable. You are stronger than you think, more talented than you believe, and more loved than you know. And when you share that love, when you act with kindness and generosity, you make the world a better place. And above all, remember that when you give, you do so with an open heart. Expect nothing in return because the true value is in the generosity of the act. That is what truly makes you special, the ability to give without expecting a return, to love unconditionally, to shine without dimming others' light. You have an incredible gift, something the world desperately needs. Use it wisely, with love, with compassion. And never, never let anyone dim your light. You are a star, destined to light up the world around you. So go ahead, keep being who you are, and know that the universe is aligning to bring you everything you deserve. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, thank you for your unconditional love and for gifting me with this incredible person who is listening to me now. Please continue to bless her, giving her the courage and strength needed to keep doing good. Help her create a better world, one act of kindness at a time. We trust in you and believe you will continue to open paths, even when it seems there is no way out. Amen. If this message touches your heart, leave this affirmation in the comments. I am grateful for my ability to positively impact the lives of others and bring joy to those around me. I am confident in my ability to face any challenges that come my way and always find a solution. I am worthy of love and affection, and am open to receiving the love and support the universe has to offer me. Amen. Never forget how special you are. Maybe you don't realize it all the time, but your impact on the world is huge. Every smile you give, every kind word, every act of generosity makes a difference you can't imagine. Do you know those moments when someone is going through a tough time and your words bring a little light? That's not a coincidence. God is using you to make a difference, to be a positive force in people's lives. No matter the obstacles you face, you have an inner strength that allows you to overcome them. Don't let challenges get you down. They are here to strengthen you, to teach you, and to make you even more amazing than you already are. Trust in God and the plan He has for you. Every step you take, every decision you make, is leading you in the right direction. Even when everything seems hard, when it seems there is no way out, remember God is always by your side, opening paths, guiding your steps. And when you feel overwhelmed, when things seem out of control, take a deep breath and remember the blessings you have already received. There is so much to be grateful for. Your open and generous heart is a gift to the world. The ability to give without expecting anything in return is rare and precious. That's what makes you special. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You are worthy of love, happiness, and all the good that life has to offer. So, keep being the wonderful person you are. Keep spreading love and light wherever you go. The world needs more people like you, who are not afraid to show their vulnerability, who are willing to help others, who make a difference with small acts of kindness. Always remember, you are loved, you are needed, and you have a grand purpose in this world. If this message touched your heart, repeat with me, I am grateful for my ability to positively impact the lives of others and bring joy to those around me. I am confident in my ability to face any challenges that come my way and always find a solution. I am worthy of love and affection, and am open to receiving the love and support the universe has to offer me. Amen. Let's continue on this journey together, trusting in God and in the greater plan He has for us. And remember, you are never alone. God is always with you, guiding your steps, offering His strength and unconditional love. You are a light in the world, and the world needs your shine. So go ahead, keep being you, and know that the best is yet to come. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now and don't miss the next video. It has a special message for you. Give us your support by donating any amount through the Yay Thanks a Lot button. It helps us a lot, and every contribution is always welcome so that we can continue bringing divine messages daily. Until our next meeting, stay with God and in the company of your guardian angels. Amen.